Great. So I'm Lynne Poulton, the Director of Marketing for ICD. I'm here with Melanie Sobocinski, and she is one of our presenters at the Virtual Assembly. So excited. So can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Well, I have a PhD in classical archaeology, which means that I know a lot about really old clutter and broken buildings and the way people used to live. And I got into professional organizing when I decided that being a professor wasn't a very good fit for me in the long run. And the most exciting thing about professional organizing is that I can ask people, what is this? How do you use it? How do you want your space arranged? And I can get an answer. You can't really get the answer in the archaeology. You're always doing guesswork. So it's really satisfying as an archaeologist to come and see people's spaces. It also gives me a really different perspective on how people arrange their spaces and their stuff that I think is a nice add to the professional organizing world.
Oh, I think that's really fascinating. It's great how people come from different disciplines to the world, and what a neat story.
Yeah.
So you are going to talk about sleep. So
yes.
What is the title of your presentation?
Sleep can change everything. And this comes from actually one of my clients who we've been working together, troubleshooting various aspects of her stuff, her time, her sleep, ever since we started working together, really. And after a really long struggle, she finally was identified with narcolepsy, and it took several different doctors and a whole bunch of documentation to put this story together, and was able to get treated for that. And she came to our first session after that and said, Melanie, I slept well last night. I can't believe how well I'm functioning. Sleep changes everything.
Oh, fantastic. So,
and she's like, I can switch tasks more easily. I can deal with other people more easily. I'm able to concentrate better. All of these things that we've been working with skill building are now so much easier with good sleep.
So what will someone step away with from listening to your presentation?
A really long list of ideas for ways to troubleshoot sleep. In addition, I just went back through my correspondence with this one client, and we had all these research studies and all of these things to try, and all of these things that each of us had done individually, because I've been troubleshooting my own sleep since graduate school, when it became obvious that things weren't quite normal for me either. So
okay,
a client brings up, oh, I'm so tired, have a sense of how to handle that, how to help clients advocate for themselves with their doctors if they need to be chasing a diagnosis for some kind of sleep disorder. And even just thinking about, what are you looking for in somebody's space to see, is there stuff getting in the way of their sleep? Or is this something that you need to work together so that you can basically optimize your time with the client, because you'll have a well-rested client to work with who can then make better decisions and be better able to maintain things moving forward as well.
Well, that sounds terrific. All of us humans need sleep.
Yep.
I'm excited to hear what you're going to share with us. So thank you for being a participant. I look forward to seeing you on September 22nd.
Absolutely, me too. I'm so excited about this. This has been what you can do around time. Here's what you can do around stuff and environment. Here's what you can do around mindset. And finally, here's how you can collaborate with your health providers to make sure that nothing in that world is messing your sleep, or what in that world can help support your sleep, your client's sleep.
Well, thanks, Melanie. Thanks for spending time with me.
Sure. This is great.
See you soon.
See you soon.